Hello everyone, hope you're all doing good. I would like to welcome you to the webinar session of today. My name is Amar Promisor and I'm the facilities manager at TIMEHotels. I oversee the operation of housekeeping and laundry in our properties as well. Today I'm going to speak on our new cleaning protocols, which is summarized under our company's slogan, Sanitized and Ready. I hope that by the end of this session, you'll be able to gather some of the ideas and initiatives which might be of interest to you and which you might look to use in your properties in the future. But first, let's go back to the recent past and see the impact of COVID-19 pandemic, how it has changed the world. If you do recall, as soon as the pandemic became global, there was so many drastic changes that came into effect. Lockdown was an immediate action taken to contain the virus, which had an adverse effect on people's life in the industries, namely, I would say the banks, schools, airlines, trade between countries, and most importantly, to the hospitality industry. Slowly but surely, people became more concerned and conscious about hygiene and sanitation. Face masks and gloves became part of our daily routine, and this we had to do it because we wanted to protect ourselves and to contain. With this new shift in trends and in human behavior, cleanliness, hygiene, sanitation has now become the main focus everywhere. Hence, we at TIMEHotels, we worked on our new cleaning protocol projects, Sanitized and Ready, and which I'm proud to say is now fully implemented in all our properties. Of course, it took us some time to do the whole program, but I think we have been, at the end of the day, we have been very successful. So now let's see what is Sanitized and Ready, what it means. It's not only our slogan or motto of the company, but it's the entire program which has been devised to support and to train all our team members in all the properties to deliver the goods under the new cleaning protocol, where hygiene, cleanliness and sanitization is at the forefront, which is our main focus. We believe that the health and safety of our people and our partners, our esteemed guests, are of utmost importance. We have enhanced our cleaning standards in all the sections of the hotel, and I would say that we have been partnered very much with from Diverse, which is an internationally known service provider, sustainable solution to cleaning and hygiene. Housekeeping team has now got some further recognition and responsibilities, as they are the frontliners who are responsible for the cleaning and disinfecting of the major areas in the hotel. Additionally, we have been helped and guided by the Dubai municipality through the circulars about the rules and regulations to be adopted, and that made our job easy in reaching the community. That is implementing things with no resistance at all. Here I will give you some examples of our initiatives that we have under our Sanitized and Ready program. First of all, we have created an awareness within the team where all the staff members were given adequate information about COVID-19 and the precautionary measures that they had to take, be it at home or at work. Now, this being a bit of the first time we have seen this kind of virus, so we wanted to just make sure that the staff, they know a bit further, a bit more in depth about the virus, so to know about the symptoms and what they have to do in case they have got some infection, some people are infected. Additionally, we introduced a new PPE, which is a personal protective equipment, which is now part of the daily gear of the frontliners. Face masks, gloves, headgear, goggles, etc. had been part of our daily routine, depending on the nature of our job. Of course, this was something new, and it took some time for the team to accept this change, but I would say within a short period of time it was already really settled down with the team. Also, we introduced some more disinfectants and sanitizers in the hotels. Before, as we know, we used to only sanitize with the telephone in a guest room, but now, seeing the implication that we do have with pandemic, we are trying to see that all the areas, all the surfaces which the highly touched buttons are disinfected. So we had to get the whole range of new disinfectant, sanitizers, and all the people concerned, all the team members who are dealing directly with these chemicals have been trained thoroughly, training from a diverse company, and as well as our internal trainers. We have ensured that we know exactly what to do and how to get the job done daily. We also appointed a hygiene manager from within the team, okay, or to work like a hygiene manager, and also we picked up a departmental champion, which form a pool, a committee, and they are there to just ensure that the cleaning protocol that is in place now is being followed and monitored, at all levels. And should there be any issues, any problems, they will have to convene a meeting and discuss, and of course get the help of the head of department or senior managers. Okay. Now going forward, we have seen for the guests, okay, we have also disinfected our vehicles for guests whom we want to pick from the airport. And we have the drivers who are fully trained on how to do those service. We have at the reception manual or thermal scan for body temperature in the lobby, and where we always ensure that the temperature is below 37.5 degrees Celsius. And if you have any cases where the temperature is higher, we do have an isolation room that we have prepared for the guests to stay in until we seek assistance from the medical services. At the reception, we have contactless check-in and check-out, which means less interaction and contact with the guest itself. All luggage coming to the hotel are sanitized or disinfected by the bellboys, and we do have gloves, masks available for guests in the lobby. In the public areas, we have already removed some of the furniture, and we have reviewed the layout, okay, where we have already put into practice, and where we have already thought about the social distancing, which is a must these days. We have hand sanitizers, dispensers available in the lobby. Some are contactless, some are on sensors, and some are manually operated devices. We have dedicated housekeeping staff who goes throughout the clock to clean at regular intervals and to sanitize highly touched areas such as buttons, the elevators, panel, doors, and door handles, washroom, and other surfaces. Color-coded clothes are used in the housekeeping department where it's easy to identify which clothes is to be used for what purposes. And we have seen for the disinfection, we are using the green microfiber cloth in all our properties. Now coming to the guest rooms, where guests spend most of the time, the arrival guests can see as soon as they want to enter to the room, there is a door seal which is on the door frame, okay, which means that once they want to go in, they have to break the seal to gain access to the room. This demonstrates that the room was clean and sanitized, and this gives a confidence to the guests and the reassurance that the room is clean and it's already ready for them to go in. Some of the non-essential items, such as we have the cushions, the bed runners, we have removed from the rooms because this is the additional which is not really required, and we don't want to have extra items to be exposed in the room. So if the guests want them, eventually we can always provide them, or if not, they have been removed just for the safety purposes. Other items which are sanitized in the rooms, we have got the telephone, for example, we have got the remote control holders, and once we have sanitized, we just put a sticker on top of it which says sanitized and ready. So again, this is an extra reassurance to the guests that we are trying to get all our areas clean and ready. The tea and coffee corner, we have all the tea sachet, our sugar sachet, everything is kept in a sealed bag. Okay, and other areas where we have also taken some initiative, it's like in the restaurant, we have limited seats, we respect the social distancing as well, so we have limited seats, of course, and then we have our menus which are now available through our QR code or digitally available. In the gymnasium, of course, we reopened the gymnasium, but with limited access to people at one time, okay, and then we have some of the machines in between clean. We are not really using them to keep the social distancing in place, and the gym is always being clean and desanitized by the group of people who are working in these areas. Okay. The pools also have been in operation by now, and we follow a minimum number of people at one time in the pool, and the sun lounges, the mattress covers are changed every time that they have been in use. Okay, so I believe with all the initiatives that we have spoken about, we have done, it has helped us a lot to try to contain the virus, and of course to create a better atmosphere and environment for our guests whom we want to return to Time Hotels. I think to what I have said just now, okay, in my session, I think the thing which is really going to make the difference is monitoring of the cleaning protocol, and to see that everything is being covered to the way we want. Okay, if somebody would like to cut corners and not follow the rules, of course it will not help. So we are always having our audits, our people going around just to make sure that all the areas are covered and the protocols are being followed to the letters as we have discussed. To end up my session, I would like to request you, if you do have any questions or clarifications on the session I have just discussed, please just write it in the chat box and I will get back to you. Thank you very much.